With little ones in the house, we were interested in getting our television mounted to be out of their reach and keep them safe. It was hard to know which company to go with until we found Jim's antennas. We knew the brand well and had used other Jim services in the past. We simply filled out their online quote and received a call from the technician quickly. He was able to book in a time that suited me best. It was great knowing that all Jim's franchisees are police checked and carry public liability insurance. It gave me great peace of mind. We had the technician install an additional data point behind our TV. Now we don't have to rely on Wi-Fi for our streaming services, as the TV is now hardwired. He was respectful of my time and my home, even going the extra mile to protect our furniture and carpet. He bought his own vacuum and cleaned the workspace before leaving. He took the extra time to show me how everything worked and answered all of my questions. It was relieving to know that there were finance options available, and the tech also bought an FPOS machine. I would highly recommend him to my family and friends, and recommend that you all give them a call on 131 546.